Introducing the Shoparix 6-grid 360 degrees rotating grain containers storage dispenser. This versatile and efficient product is perfect for any kitchen. With its compact design, it allows you to store large amounts of grains in a small space while keeping them fresh. Made from durable plastic materials, ABS plus PET pluses, this 6-grid rotating dispenser offers numerous benefits. Not only does it provide easy access and refill, but it is also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. The dispenser is designed to store a variety of grains, beans, and rice, making it a versatile option for any household. One of the standout features of the Shoparix rotating rice dispenser is its ability to save time, effort, and food wastage. With its automatic dispensing feature, you can easily measure out grains with the included measuring cup. This dispenser fits perfectly in most kitchen cabinets and pantries, making it a practical choice for busy households. Crafted from long-lasting PP material, this round rice dispenser ensures durability. Its rotating rice bucket and removable lid make it easy to use and store, and the individual compartments keep grains separate and organized. No more messy cabinets or cupboards. The Shoparix rotating rice dispenser is also designed for those with limited space. Its compact size allows it to be stored on a kitchen counter or shelf, making it ideal for small kitchens. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international customers may need to use an adapter or converter. It is important to check compatibility before making a purchase. In summary, the Shoparix 6-grid 360 degrees rotating grain containers storage dispenser is a must-have for any kitchen. Its compact design, durability, and practicality make it the perfect solution for storing and dispensing grains, beans, and rice. Say goodbye to messy cabinets and hello to a neat and organized kitchen with the Shoparix rotating rice dispenser. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description.